purpose of package, we'll talk about it. Next, we'll talk about definition of package. Definition of package. Next, steps to create package. Steps to create package. And the next, reusing number of approaches to reuse number of approaches to reuse the features of package. Number of approaches to reuse the features of package. Number one, by using sys.path.append sys.path.append. Second one, by using Python path Python path environmental variable followed by programming examples. So the main concept is how to deal with the packages here. These are the two lines. So actually it will take only 1 minute of time to deal with it. 1 minute of time to deal with it. Minimum. So here, coming to the point back. So now I'm going to talk about by using these two things are very, very important. Actually, these two things I can tell you within 2 to 3 minutes, but I need to tell you the importance of packages. So let's start up. Right. So what is the use of, and don't take much time on it, and I want to concentrate on example part. We learned about already function. We learned already module. We are learning now called what? Package. So what is the function which you know? What is the use of function, you tell me? A function can be reused within same program, but not possible to reuse in other programs. That is called function reusability scope. When such functions we are want to access in other programs even, how do you do then? Keep such function in where? Module. So that through module, that function can be accessed in other programs also, provided the modules must present in same folder, correct? Then every Python program is a module, provided the Python program must contain important qualities. Either global variables must present, or functions must present, or class names must present. So we don't know what is the class name, so need not to worry about it. Are you able to follow now? Good. So module is called what? Collection of functions, global variables, and class names. Okay. Now I'm going to start with function can be within reused within same program, but not across the programs. So module is called what? If I come to module, collection of what? Global variables, comma what? Functions, and the next is what? Class names. And whose purpose is we can reuse with modules, we can use, these are called features of what? Module. Module is a packet. Inside the packet, who is present? These things are present. With the module, we can reuse global variables, functions, and next is what? CLS names in same program, and also across the programs, provided, provided the modules present in same folder. Same folder. Modules present in same folder. Are you following me? But not possible to access. But not possible to access. But not possible to access. Across the folders. Across the folders. Across the drives. Across the environments. Across the environments. Environments. Are you able to follow? Across the locations, across the networks, wherever you are going to say that are not possible to access in across the environments, across the networks, across the locations, not possible to access it. If we want to do this kind of thing, to access anywhere, provided we must go for what? There also, package is a collection of what? Come on, module. Module is a collection of what? Functions and class names, etc. Our ultimate goal is what? Accessing these three things only. Earlier, we accessed only this kind of thing in the same program. But those things I'm accessing across the program through what? Modules. But those things we are accessing across everywhere. So the purpose of package is the use of package. Use of package concept is that to reuse to reuse this kind of things, to use this kind of things either in same program or in different program or in everywhere else. Class names accessing to reuse across the networks, across the folders, in the same program, across the programs. And here I will write it, possible to access in same program, and next is called what? And also same program, comma what? Across the command. First, what is this? Across the programs and across the programs and access across the folders and what drives and environments, everywhere else we can access it. That is a specialty of what? Package. So how to create a package? So this description, I'm going to give you something like this. Something like this I'm going to give you. So students, here programs will not be there. Programs will not be there. Simply you see this difference. Differences between function, module, and then package. You must have the clarity, full clarity over it. What function can do, written. What module can do, written. What package can do, written. A package is a collection of module. The purpose of package is that to reuse modules means what? Global variables, function names, and class names, either within the same folder or different environments, different networks. Module already, so possible to access in global variables, function names, in class names, either in within same program or across the programs, provided and corresponding main program must present in the same folder, but not possible to access across the folders, or environments or networks. So now I'm going to enter into where? Package. A package is a collection of what? Modules. And ultimately, functions concept, modules concept, package concept, or comes under what here? The concepts of what? Functions, modules, and packages are called reusable techniques in functional programming. Are you following me? Done. This is about the differences between functions, modules, and next is what? Packages. Then how to create a package. Now I'm going to tell you the steps for how to create a package. Very, very simple, sir. So look at that now carefully. Here I'm going to tell you steps for creating a package. I'm going to take up here. So here I'm going to write it. Steps for creating a package. So here I'm going to take up now. See here, steps for creating a package. Steps for creating a package. How do you create a package? How do you create a package? Creating a package is nothing but, I'm going to give you the steps, students. Very carefully try to understand. Creating a package is nothing but creating it as a folder. First point you need to understand. Creating creating a package. Creating a package is nothing but creating it as a creating it. Nothing but creating as a package. Nothing but creating as a folder. Creating as a folder. Folder is nothing but what? Directory. Directory. Creating a folder is nothing but creating it as a directory. Are you able to follow? Now, creating a package is nothing but creating as a folder or directory. Then that's all. Do you know how to create a folder? How do you create a folder? By going to this right click. By going to this right click, save, we will save folder name so that that folder will be created. So that we are doing this case. We are doing here itself like this. Now I'm going to take it. One folder I'm creating. This is called a folder name. I'm creating. So this folder name I'm creating. Carefully listen. This folder name I'm creating. Inside the folder, what I will take it. Inside the folder, what I will take it. Come on, I said na, every folder name is called one of the package. Then inside the folder, what will be, what I said, creating a package is nothing but creating it as a folder or what? Directory. That folder name I created. That folder name I created here. That folder name I created. That folder name is nothing but a package. Inside the folder name, we are going to create module here. I'm going to go for what? Module 1. Module name 1. Module name 1. I'm going to create it. Module name 1. Next, I'm going to create as what? Module name 2. Module name 2. So on, I'm going to create what you know, module name N. Module name N I created. Are you following? So folder is nothing but what I said just now, package. Package it is called. It is a package. I made it as a package. But one small point you remember, students, in Python programming, earlier in 3.2, 3.3, from something, those kind of versions, from 3.8 onwards, some structure was changed it. In 3.2, some 3.x only, any folder name, if you want to make it as what? Package, they said some small empty Python file is required, they said. But these days, that is optional. That is called optional. Coming to the place of it, here we are writing an empty file here. What is that empty file, students? The any type of folder name, want to treat it as what? Folder name. We need to go for what? Underscore, 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 init dot py. Underscore, underscore, init dot py. Are you able to follow now? Underscore, underscore, init dot py. This is called empty Python file. It is an empty Python file. Empty Python file. Empty Python file. This is going to be making our folder name as what? Our folder name as what? Package. Any package. This is the situation in 3.2, 3.3 like that. 3.8 onwards, the total system was changed. And writing this empty Python file is called what? Optional. It is not a mandatory at all. This is called optional. I may write it. I may not be able to write it. Only folder name I'll write it. Take an example here. Take an example here. I'm taking something like something like HYD. What is the HYD is called? One folder I am creating. This folder I am creating. In this folder, what I am doing? In this folder, what I am doing? Yesterday I was created some modules now. Did you remember that modules? What are the modules I created? Maths info. Maths info. I'm writing here maths info. Maths info. Next is called what? AOP, AOP, like that. Next is called what, students? ICICI, ICICI dot P, ICICI dot PY. Here AOP dot PY, mathsinfo dot PY. What these are all called? Modules. And one empty file is required, I said. Is it mandatory to write or optional to write? Optional to write, purely optional to write. This is going to be called as this is simply going to be called as what? Package name we can call. Package name is a collection of what? Modules. And that one empty file. That empty file is optional. Understand? Creating a package in Python is nothing but development of libraries in the industry. Are you able to follow? So if you take it, NumPy, some people will call it as a NumPy is a package. NumPy is called a module, somebody will call, because we are writing import what immediately we are writing? NumPy we are writing. So NumPy, after import, whatever is followed, that is generally called as what? Module. But in the NumPy, there is a random module is also there or not? Yesterday's class, evening time, we discussed it. Random is also what? One module. So in NumPy, you can take it as a package. There is a folder name. Inside of that NumPy, what is available? Random module is there. Something like that. So that we never bother about it, whether it is a module or something package. How to use it in the programming, that is an important. So finally, I'm concluding my sentence. So here HYD thing is given it. Where can I access by default these two things? These are all called module, students. Where can I access? This is like a folder. It's like a project name. In that I'm going to have like this. Where can I access these things? Inside the same folder. Because they are basically today what? Come on, modules. This I want to access everywhere. So online students, I hope you are getting me. I hope you are understood up to here. Creating a package is nothing but number one, create what? Come on, creating what? Folder name. Step number one. Step number two, optional step. And placing what? Modules. Placing modules. These are comes under three steps. Now I'm going to give you students. Here I'm going to enter into the example. I will go to directly. Will I go to the example? Let's start. In our place students, go to PyCharm. I'm going to PyCharm. Very easy. Try to close this project. Try to close this line. See this. Here I'm writing. Go to the new project. New project. What is my concept here? Package name. That is nothing but a project name. So what I'm going to do? HYD. HYD. What is HYD? Folder name. It is nothing but a project name. Nothing but package, which I am taking. No confusion, students. Generally, when some of the students are working with packages, here no programming, there only steps to create it. So there you say after that, after giving that, say HYD. So something is there. So here, let us go to the place. Again, you start with this, or you wait for 1 minute, because it's more folders are there in my PyCharm. Uses KVR, Py, this one. So next, what else? So these things I'm just trying to remove. So I'm just trying to remove because folders are many. Okay. So Okay, students. Now coming to this place now, I'll close this part, go to the pie chart. So here I will go to, now I'll say new project here, take that project name HYD. HYD you take it, it is created freshly. It is created now. It is created now. Okay. So inside of that, nothing is available. Do you have anything inside? No, nothing is there. Now I need to go for writing. What should I do? See the diagram now. See the diagram. I created as a package name. Package name is nothing but what name? Folder only. Yes. Inside, what should I create? One. This is called init dot what? Py. Match info. AOP. ICIC. So I want that kind of thing. So what to do if I want to place empty file? Empty file placing is optional, but I will follow the guideline. Now that is an optional. Click on that and say here new empty Python file underscore init underscore dot what py. So this is going to be an empty Python file. I never write anything inside. That is one thing. Next one is called what? Match info. All those things are there or not? But I will go for it. How I will go to get that kind of thing? See students, match info dot what? Py. Py. I'm going to keep the modules inside of that. Already we have a topic called modules, 7 a.m. There is a topic name I have separately with you, modules. There is a topic name called what, maths info. So I will take it as maths info. I'll try to open it and I'll try to bring it. I'm trying to bring it. Here I will place it. Okay, now. So keep this one and next one more you want, one more module you want. What is that now? AOP.py, AOP.py. Go to that AOP.py, try to open it and say here. So there I'm trying to carry this type of thing. So here I'm going to paste it over here. That's all. ICIC, you just wait for some time because it becomes more overloaded for you. And multiple examples will go. So what is available here? HYD is called a folder name. HYD is called a folder name. It is called containing any init. Any folder contains init. Definitely that is called what? Package. And inside of that, there is a module called a matchinfo aop.py. This is known as what? One folder. Correct? Well, now I'm going to do what? I can write one main program. Can I write one main program? Where can I write the main program? That main program present in where? Same folder. So I can access that, right? So how do you do that? Go to that. I'm writing kvr.py, kvr.py. So I'm writing there. What I'm doing there, kvr.py, I'm writing. All the students in the online, to be careful students. So I'm writing here from match info, see, import, what is this? Pi, comma what? E. So I'll print what? Pi, comma E. When I execute my program, you are getting the answer. You are getting the answer as what? Pi and then what? Output is coming. So here Pi comma E output is coming. Similarly, I can take it as what? From AOP, import what? Star. I can say star. Sum OP of 1020, 1020. I can say 1020 and a sub OP of 45. Next is called MULOP of what 4 comma 7. I'm just writing like this. MULOP, just I'm writing like this. So students, you try to run it, students. You try to run it. So I got the process called what? How this is going to come. Are you able to follow now? Well, students, we understood the meaning of what, same folder we are accessing. Main program and then main program this is. Other things are present in the same place only. So we don't have any problem in accessing. This concept is going to be strictly representing which concept? Model. So The purpose of modules concept is that to reuse everything present in where which folder? Same folder. Same program provided all of them present in where? Same program, same folder, but not possible to access across the folders or environments. Now students, this is the one I designed in HYD. Is one folder or not? Now, today I'm taking one more folder I'm going to create. Where I'm going to create the folder? In PyCharm only. One more folder I'm going to create. Online students carefully need to follow. Go to the same place. Here I'm going to take it. New file, new project I'm going to say. Are you following me? Here go to main menu. There I'm having what? New project. New project I'm going to take. What is my new project here? I'm taking KVR. KVR is a folder name. I'm going to take it. It is a folder name. I'm going to say create. It is asking this window, new window, attach. So I'm going to attach. Why? Because you will have a clarity. New window, when you say this window, existing window will close it and new window will be there. Attach, I'm going to say. When it is attached, here you are having what? This is called different folder or not? This is called a different folder. This is called a different folder. This is called which concept? Package, which contains what? Modules. Plus to execute that, I wrote one main program present in the same folder. So it exhibits the property of what? Module also. Now I'm going to say what? Folder to folder access I'm going to give you. So I go to the folder to folder access. Yes. In KVR dot, these are present into that place. You try to close it. Now I'm coming to KVR dot. There I'm going to write it new. I'll go to this place. Now I'm going to this place. Say here, I'm going to this place. What happens? New. What is this? Python file. What is this Python file? I'm going to take it. pack1.py. packdemo.py. packdemo1.py. Here I'm not going to upload any programs. Why? No special programming is required, no syntaxes, only two lines are there. Am I writing any new program today? Maths info, AOP only. That module program only I'm converting into what? Package. Tell me, you are in KVR folder. Now you want what? Maths info information. This is called what? Pack demo. No more confusion, students. Packdemo.py. What should I do now? I need to go for import from maths info, import, what is that? Pi comma E, Pi comma E. There I'm trying to write value of Pi is equal to comma what? Pi. Next is called value of E. Value of E is equal to comma what? E. Writing like this. So you got an error. When you are having a kvr.py, which is in the same folder, you did not get any error, right? Are you following me? But when you went to what different folder, what concept is not possible? Module accessibility is not possible. Are you getting me? So try to run this code and you will get what? So coming to the point of it, here I'm going to write it. So here I'm going to write it. Try to run it. You are getting which error? Module not found error. Module not found error. Are you able to understand? So module not found error. That means the PVM, all the students in the online, the PVM is looking for maths info in the following paths. So yesterday, some Sushil, student named Sushil, one student asked me, sir, how it will search? So the PVM searches for in the following paths. In the following paths. What are those things? Number one, first thing in current working folder. Current working folder. What is my current working folder? KVR. That is the first thing. Next thing, it will go to where Python library, Python library, Python library, because Python provides predefined modules or not. It will look into where Python library. It will look into Python library. In these places, both the places not there. Then it will look into one more place also, where it is looking for third environmental variables. Environmental variables also it looks. What is that environmental variable you don't know? Then I will tell you that. First you think about two things. Simple, ma. When I forget my bike keys, where I can search in? First, where I will search in our packet. That is called current working folder. You are in your packet. You are forgetting. You search all the folder, all your packets. It is not there. Then what you will search in your bag? There is in your bag is nothing but some other context where you are having with. Next, you will search in where you will search in now and where you parked it, and you will search in surrounding places. Something like that. Whenever you go to this place, when you are going to use Maths info will be searched in some places. Number one, it looks in current working folder. Number two, it is looking into Python software. Python software. There is nothing but Python inbuilt modules. And next is called what? It is looking for environmental variables. That you don't worry about the environmental variable. I'll tell you that. But these things are not present in all those places. Neither present in same place nor present in where? Python software. It is supposed to be present by the programmer defined modules. So how you are going to do it? So Sushil, I think Sushil is there or not, I don't know. So Sushil, so Sushil is not there. Yesterday he was asked the doubt and today is not there. So students, Sushil, you are there. Okay, got it. Okay, it is looking in where? Current working folder. It is looking in current working folder. Plus, it is looking in where? Python modules. In both the places, it is not there. That's why you are getting in where? Module not found error. Because that module is called what? Programmer defined module. Present into which place? HUID package. There is nothing but we are going to make to use our module of HUID package everywhere. That's why I put my module inside of what? Folder. Can I use now? Online students? So Sushil, I think you got it. Yesterday you asked me. That's why. Now I'm going to take up somebody. So Maths info, you written capitalizer. Capital I only I wrote, no? Capital I only I wrote it, right? So Muhammad Arshad. So you are getting something here. So Maths info only. So I wrote Maths info only. So where is the doubt? I don't know. So here we got it. Are you able to follow? So are you able to use it or unable to use it? So you are getting which error? Then I need to use or not? So what is our next? Now I am going to tell you concept now. Tell me, what is our basic goal? I want to use module of what is small I? What is small I? What is small I? Huh? Maths info? I small a. Where is the small? What is small first of all? Here my I saved on which name? What is this confusion? Meaningless. Meaningless first of all. Meaningless. Come to the point. Don't disturb the class. I saved on what name? Maths info. Muhammad Arshad. Please be concentrate in the class. It looks like small. Please wear some sweats. It looks like small eye. I'm getting very perfectly to the big eye only. Take care. Don't disturb. So here it is called what? Because if I discuss such type of thing, I'm losing my something. Come to match info. Import PI and what? E. Are you following me? Now, listen all of you. Listen all of you carefully. Now I'm going to use it. How to use match info of what? HYD in where? Pack demo one of what? Another one. For that, I'm using one statement called what? Sys dot, sys dot, append path dot, sys dot, path dot, append is a statement I am using. What is sys module? So I will import what first? Sys. First you remove the statement. So I will go for what? Import what? Sys. Okay. In sys, what is a path? In sys, what is the path? In sys, what is the path? In sys, what is the path? How I am accessing? Sys dot. What I am accessing? Path. Sys dot what? Path. What is sys? What is the path? If I write like that, that is the function. Muddubavalu. You are all called Muddubavalu. Stop. All of you stop it. Don't know anything. So come to the point. Here, yesterday's class, I said, go to the place. I said, here, maths info dot what? PI. What is maths info? Module. What is PI? Huh? Huh? Global variable. Muddubavalu. Don't know anything. Not reading anything and coming to the class. Here you see. PI and E are called what? Global variables. Maths info dot what? PI. What is maths info? What is the PI? Then why you are saying function? X, Y, Z, Hyderabad, Bangalore, etc. What is that? Waste answers. What is the maths info? What is the PI? What is, I said, import what? Sys. In place of sys, what is there? What is maths info? What is the sys? I said what? Sys dot what? Path. Sys maths info dot what? PI. What is the PI? What is the path of each module? That's all. Function Z, Hyderabad. ఏంటిదంతా? What is this? Simply wrong answers. Everything going went off wrong. Look at what is the path? Every variable in Python is what? Huh? Every variable in Python is what? Object. Every variable in Python is what? Object. Every object behind who is there? Class. What is the class of PI? Class of PI. Class of PI. ఎందుకాయ మీరు waste going west. Class of PI. Class of PI. Float. Shruti. Good. Very good student. PI is what? Float value, that is. మీరంతా international batch. PI 3.14. What is the type? Float. What is E? Every global variable in Python. Object, every object will have. What is the class of E? Float. What is sys? What is path? Every global variable in Python. Every object will have a class or not? What is the class of path I am going to show? How do you find that? Print of type of sys dot path. Sys dot path. Sys dot path. Path is an object of list. Path is an object of list. Created in which module? Sys module. See that. you will be getting, keep a comment, remove this entire thing. You will be getting, first you need to understand about list. List. What is this module? What is the path? In which class? In which module? Sys module. Inside of that, what is the path? Global variable. Sys is a module. They written sys.py like maths info.py. Inside of that, path is equal to, they wrote as what? List of. What is the path? Of which type? Created in where? How do I access? Sys.path. Sys dot, right. List contains a lot of functions or not? Append, insert, copy, what do you call it now? Extend, clear, pop off index, remove. So many functions are there or not? How do I access that list functions? Path dot append, path dot insert, path dot delete, path dot copy, path dot what do you call pop off, path dot remove, path dot clear. So many things. So there I'm going to write it. Come on, path dot append of, path dot append of, sys dot I need to say, sys dot path dot what is that append. చూసుకోండి ఒకసారి. All functions are what functions? List functions only available. List functions. So path dot what? Append. Append. You must specify what is our today's concentration. I want to access which module? Maths info. Of which module? HYD. Into where? Another folder. There I want to access. I should say what? Append a dot. I need to pass absolute path of, absolute path of module. Absolute path of what? Folder. Absolute path of the folder or package where it contains, where it contains, where it contains module. Where it contains module. Absolute path means what? Like this. Suppose we are in India. India, India, and TS, Telangana state, and HYD, in that Amirpet, KVR, and that under that Python class we are in. This is called what? Complete absolute path of my class. Suppose you are there only in Hyderabad. Directly I will go to where? Python class will go directly. So you need not to go for this entire path. This is known as complete path, we can call absolute path. This is called simply what? Relative path. By staying in Hyderabad, will you say which state you are staying? No, no. So you are in Amirpet. You are asked what, which locality you are staying, you will ask. Will you ask, are you staying in Hyderabad like that? No. By default, you are in current working place only. And you are asking locality, which place you will write it. Now I am going to write it what? Absolute path. What is my path? What is my path you see? You must specify this entire path. Are you observing now? This entire thing you need to write it. From where I will take, sir? Go to this place, C colon, users, KVR, under that PyCharm projects. What is our place? 7 a.m. HYD. 7 a.m. HYD. Where is that? Simply HYD. Yeah? Simply HYD. Here HYD. There is a AOP, KVR, and then maths info. You take up that. You take this entire thing. Address is there, na? Copy that entire address. Then come to this place and write it inside of double quotes. Write inside of double quotes. Wrote it. I wrote it. Dear students, when you wrote like that, this is comes under absolute path we can call. When you wrote backslashes, users you wrote it, users, and next KVR you wrote it, and like that you wrote it. You know, in our Python, having backslash even meaning is there or not? Backslash n is having some meaning or not? Like that, backslash u also having some meaning. So actually, user is called what? Folder name. But your PVM is taking as what? Backslash u meaning is taking. But actually user is what? Folder name. But it is taking backslash u meaning. Is it giving wrong problem or not? When I compile my program, when I execute my program, you are getting an error. What is this now? So this is going to give you a problem. Unicode value it is treating now. So to avoid this kind of errors, suppose for example, all of a sudden here NYD is there, NYD, backslash NYD. It will take backslash N meaning, but NYD is called what? Folder name. So I have to tell to PV, my Python environment, don't treat it as what? Backslash U, backslash N, something like that. You treat them as folders only. For that, I need to write what? Double slashes, you need to write it. Double slashes, you need to write it. I hope you are following me. Double slashes, I wrote it. You can also write, you can also write, instead of writing double slashes, when I wrote like that, you got an error. You cancel that. That slash is there, now you write in a reverse format, you write it. Reverse, you write it. Everything you write reverse. First you attempt this. Now HYD. Now what PVM will do? It will go to what? It will go to where? It will go to where? HYD. In the HYD, what is already there? Match info. Now you import. From where? Match info. Match info. Import PI. And then what? E. E. You write it. Now print that. Print of what is this now? Value of PI is equal to comma what? PI. Go to the next place. Print of value of E is equal to comma what? E. E. You try to run this now, you'll get perfect answer. And don't think, sir, red underline is there, maybe error is coming. Don't think that, you will be getting it. Why this red underline is there? PyCharm doesn't contain the knowledge about this maths info, because PyCharm never look for this type of folder, because this is only the reference for what? PVM, not for PyCharm related things. PyCharm knows only what? Python modules, predefined modules. Run this, output will come. Perfect output is there or not? Perfect output is coming. Are you able to follow? The beauty behind this concept is what? Sys.path.append. Actually, I took a lot of time. So here it is an error again. Error is coming or not? So I am resolving that by going forward. Sys.path.append. Execute it. I got this. Are you following me? So this example, I will go to where? Edit plus I will go. I'll go to this place. Now I'm writing here others and saying Python here. Now I'm pasting it. Go to this now. Here I'm writing. What is my example here? Pack demo 1.py. Where I'm going to available here? Go to this place. Here I'm going to take it E colon 7 a.m. I'm going to create packages. Packages. Inside the packages, I'm saving my program pack demo dot what py. Go to this place, command prompt. I'm entering into different environment. Different environment I'm entering. Run as an administrator. E colon, say this, KVR, Python 7 a.m. CD packages. Now see, py. Now my program name is that. What is an error? Module not found error. Where is the maths info? It was there in PyCharm, but where I am using, in different place I am using it. Are you able to follow now? How do you do this now? How do you do this now? Coming to this place, come on, start with from. So import, come on, sys, what is this now? Sys dot path dot append of, I need to pass what? Absolute address of what? This module, in which package it is present. In which package it is present, I am writing. So I will carry that. Already this is available or not? This I will write it. Here I am writing it. Are you following? Now I am writing what? Slashes. I think you are following. Done. And here also I will write this. Backslash U is going to give you what? Unicode escape character representation it is used. That to avoid that, to make it as our own folder, absolute path environment, I'll take like this. Execute. See this now. Execute. We got an output or not? Understand? Simple. See students, suppose, for example, you have written up to where PyCharm projects. PyCharm projects. What is the PyCharm projects? It's a folder. In that folder, what is the another folder? HYD. HYD. What you will write here? From HYD dot HYD dot what is that? Maths info. What is HYD? Folder name. Present in where? What is maths info? What is HYD? Package name. Folder name. It is nothing but a package only. What is the PI and E? Simple. So run this. So no module named HYD. Okay. So here I will write it HYD. HYD. So getting the answer or not? Perfect. NumPy dot random. NumPy dot random. Here. What is that? HYD dot maths info. Import what? PI and what? E. Are you able to get it? Easy or difficult? Simple. So you can also write it as what? From HYD, import what? Maths info as what? MI. What you will write it? MI dot PI and next is what? MI dot what? E. Execute. Got the answer. Once your hairstyle is good, you can comb any way. If no hairstyle, ring road, bypass road only. That's why subject is superpower. That's why you have to enjoy. Are you able to follow? So, students, first take this way. This is called one thing. You got an answer. Next, another way. We'll post these things to do you people. So here, I'll take up. What is this now? HYD dot what? Maths info. This is called a 2.py. Before that, what I should write it here? HYD, I must write it. This is one thing you keep it. Up to PyCharm projects, HYD dot. This is called 2.py. You got an answer. Yes, you got an answer. One more thing is called what here? Go to the new one because this knowledge is extraordinary that you will get it. Come on, from HYD. Come on, import from HYD. Import what? Maths info as what? MI. How do I write it? MI dot. What is this now? That's all. It is called what? 3.py. 3.py. So try to run it. So see this now. Pack demo 1, pack demo 2, pack demo 2, pack demo 3, pack demo 3, like this. 3 different hairstyles, 3 different fashions. Daily same hairstyle, not correct. Are you following? Done. Easy or difficult now? Easy or difficult now? Easy. Now I will use same thing in where online students. Are you comfortable? Everybody need to respond. Everybody need to respond. So go to my dear students. Now I'm going to this place. Where I'm going? Python environment I'm going. Python environment. Come on, run as administrator. Come on. Tell me. From maths info, import what? PI and what? E. Error. What is maths info? In PyCharm I created, but where I am using in different environment I am using. It is looking in where my PVM is searching in where First of all, in this case of Python command prompt, it is first looking in where Python software. Is maths info is there in Python software? No, it is searching in where Environmental variable, definitely it is not there because it doesn't have any directly creation or something. It will create in these two places. These two places doesn't contain immediately error. Now I will say what? Come on, come on. Import sys. Come on, sys a dot, path a dot, append of. I will write that address. What is that address? Go to the place. See, my dear students, this address you carry. This I am going to write it. What a beautiful subject. There I am writing. This one, I will write reverse. I'll write reverse. Today I am writing reverse. And don't ask me, sir, something I will reverse, something I'll write a double slashes. Don't do that. Either you eat breakfast or you eat lunch or dinner. Don't mix and eat everything. Digestion problem will come. But your digestive system is having some syntax. This to eat, this to not to eat. Understand? So this I am using it. So see students, come on now. From maths info, import what? Star. Import star. Import star. Come on. Print of what? PI. Import what? E. E. Excellent. Import what? Math. How predefined is working? Mine is also working like that. Math dot what? Print of what? Math dot what? PI, which is having its own value. I'm having my own value. Mine is also working like what? Predefined library. How do you develop your own library? By using what? Packages. How my online students will use my package? How online students will use my package? Simple. I will go to where? I'll go to my place and I want to give to online students today. For that, what they will do? They will go to where? I will go to where first? C colon users KVR PyCharm projects. Go to where HYD is there now. HYD. That HYD I will go for generating zip file. Zip file I will generate. Whenever I download, I'm getting in downloads option that thing is coming or not. They will be going for. I will be doing what? The zip. I'll go to compress to what? Zip file. Zip file I will take it. So when I say zip file, it is coming zip file. Are you seeing this now? Zip file, are you seeing in the bottom one? That zip file, I'll keep it in where? Google Drive. They will download and they will extract and they will get the match info, that kind of thing. They will do what? Sys.path.append to the folder what I am giving. They will set the path and they will use match info, etc. Are you following me? Good. Not only that, I'm using what also? AOP functions also there or not? Come on, some OP of 1020. Answer is coming. Some OP, yeah? Okay. So here, match info only I said. Match info only. It is present in where? AOP. Come on. From, come on, AOP, import some OP as what? SP. Sub OP as what? Something like a MP. Something like what? Something like what? M. Come on, MULOP as what? MULOP as MP. Hmm? Sub OP as okay. Sub OP as M. S. Done. Anything. SP of what? 1020. What a beautiful subject. Next is called what? M of what? Minus 3 comma 4. Beautiful subject. MP of what? 4 comma minus 5. Super. Where I defined it, where I am using it. Is it not called development of our own library? Where I am reusing across the environments I am reusing. Are you following me? Right. Usha, why reverse not like that? Reverse way is also using one more way. With the technique. Why sun rises in east? Because certain questions are very difficult for me. Certain questions are difficult. That is not a subject actually. OS related notations they are. Why mango is sweet? Not very difficult. Sir, what is sys.path.append? If you ask, I will tell. What is sys module? What is the path? Global variable, object, list type, What is append? Append is a function present into list object, which is used to specify the absolute address of my module where it present in the package. What is a dot? If you ask that also, it is called what? Accessor operator. Sir, why double slashes? I also said the answer. What is that answer? To ignore the single slash with existing meaning, I'm using what? Double slashes. Reversed slash. But the alternative for that. Alternative for double slashes is reversed slash. So why reversed slash means what can I say? Double slashes is for what? To ignore the single slash. Reversed slash is alternative to that environment. Okay, now fine. Go to where? Ideally. Go to ideally. Go to ideally. Python here, ideally. Come on here from maths info, maths info, maths info. Import star. Import what? AOP. AOP has AP. Error. Then start from sys. Import path. You know, different hairstyles. Come on. Path dot append of that address. That address. That address. You want to use as this, you will get error. So like this, I will use it. Like this, I am using. Very, very easy, dead easy. So like this. Okay, beautiful. Path dot only I'm using. Come on now. Come on faster. From maths, from AOP, AP. So, how beautiful subject. AP dot sum OP of 100 comma 200. Beautiful answer. So, now AP dot MLOP 4 comma 5. Beautiful answer. Are you following me? So, PI error. Why? I need to import. Come on. From maths info, import star. Okay, no problem. PI got an answer. E got an answer. Easy or difficult now? Easy. Maul easy, dead easy that is. Now, close. Close. When I come to once again to where? When I come to once again to which place? To which place? Python command prompt when I come once again, what is happening? I'll say once again from where? From maths info, import what? Star. Again it gives error. What it indicates? Whenever I come, I have to use sys.path.append, sys.path.append. I'm using multiple times, I'm using multiple times sys.path.append or not? Is it not my waste of time or not? What I want to do? One time setting, everywhere else using. Correct? One time setting, everywhere else using. Are you following me? Once again, I'm saying one time setting, everywhere else using. That one time setting is called what? Environmental variable. What is environmental variable? Environmental variable is one of the reserved word concept of operating system. Environmental variables of operating system provides global information to all the programs from operating system side. So I will tell to OS. I'm giving one path to you people, to OS I'm giving, whichever my Python program are using into my laptop, that information you provide to every program. They need not to do what? Sys.path. What? Append every time they need not to use it. Are you following me? Now, how other student can access my thing? I will keep that zip file in where? Google Classroom Drive. They will download it. They will extract it. They will keep the folder in C drive, D drive, etc. When they are using import that module name what I developed in the class, they will set what? Sys.path.append. What you downloaded, the path is there or not? That absolute path, you will paste it over there. How I used it. Are you getting me? So I'm going to tell you what? One time setting, many times using. Go to my programs once again. This is my programs I am going. Here I don't write it. Here today I will remove. Today I will remove. Execute your command prompt. Which program I removed? Demo. Demo 2 also I will remove. Demo 3 you say. Demo 3. Error came or not? Demo 2 got answer. Demo 1 got an answer. Demo 1 got an answer. There also I will remove. There also I will remove. I'm removing. Removed. So save it. So demo 1 also remove. Remove. What you will do? You execute all those things. Error. 2 error. Then what to do? One time setting. Go to PyCharm. Go to PyCharm. Remove. Remove. Error. Remove. Error. Got all these things. So what I will do? One time setting. Where? By operating system environmental variable. Now I'm telling about this environment concept. See, by using sys.path.append, now I'm going to use what? Python path environmental variable. This is a reserved for operating system to supply the packages information to our programs or projects. So I'll go to where? Environmental variables. Start button. Now I'll go for what? Control panel, In the control panel, you will find environmental variables, or you search here only. Environmental variables. You just type it. Environmental variables here. Edit environmental variables in control panel. Just click on that. You will be getting the system properties. Everybody need to follow system properties. Click on where? Environmental variable. There are two things are there. User variables of KVR and system variables. User variables of KVR is visible to the KVR logged person only. If any other person is login here, that variables will be not showing. KVR variables will not be showing to the other person. But system variables will be shown to KVR, XYZ, PQR. Every person can be usable. Are you following me? Understand? So let us go to that. After that, once again, I am showing environmental variables. Choose what? User variables of KVR. Click on where? New. Click on new. Yes, new. What I should type it? Python path. Python path. Exactly like that. Without space, capital letters. I need to get it what? That address. That address. What you have? What you have? PyCharm projects. Under that what? HYD. That address you need to take. Which address? Which address? Package address. There also you need to write what? Double slashes. Double slashes for your safety purpose. Double slashes. I think you are following. Say okay. Say okay. Are you following me? Say okay. You are saying okay. Following students? After that, next, after saying okay, don't click on this. Say what next? Okay. Say okay. Second okay. After saying okay, another okay. Are you okay? Are you okay or not? Because you need to be okay first. Then it is done. All the students in online, are you okay? Online students, are you okay? Haripriya, okay, ma. Again, I will show you definitely. Next part, I will show you again. Okay. Are you okay? Yes, you are okay. Go to command prompt. What is my program? What is my program? Here. My program is what? Back demo. Already my command prompt is opened or not? When it was opened, before I set the global variables. When I run my program pack demo 1, it will give you same error. Module not found error. So I need to do what? Come out. First come out. That is nothing but refreshing. Come out of this command prompt. Go once again. So that whenever I go once again, your operating system will provide the Python path information to the Python programmers. So execute KVR Python 7am CD. The topic name packages is my folder. In that I have 3 programs. This one I want to take up. Come on now. Py pack demo1.py. See the beautiful output. Came or not? Here, what is there? Here, am I writing any sys dot path dot append here? Never. Working perfect. Go to the place. I was executed. Pack demo 2. Pack demo 2. Pack demo 2. No module named called what? HYD. This is a problem then. Go to the place. Here. This time, it is a problem. Because I mentioned what? HYD there. In the address, I mentioned up to HYD. In the HYD is not there, no? Did you understand? So that you remove. That you remove. From match info, important. Already HYD is there. In HYD, no HYD, na? That's why. There, if I go for up to PyCharm projects, then you can write HYD here. Are you following? Yes. Go to that. You execute it. Got the answer. Go to PyCharm demo 3. 3 is there. This one you remove it from this place and MI. No problem. This is important. Just import. Import. Yes. You go to that. Execute. 3.py. 3.py. Got output. Got it up. How many times we did? One time. Go to PyCharm. Already it is there. Once again, try to run it. See, this PyCharm was launched before I set the Python path environmental variable. Run it. Module not found error. What I do? Exit. Come out of this. Came out. I will start once again. I will launch again. I will launch again. So, same window open. Shall I show you now? Right. Pack demo 1. You run this. Now see here. Run this now. Execute. Got the output or not? Perfect output. Go to where you know? Ideally. Go to ideally. Ideally you go. Python environment you go. Python ideally. See, come on. From AOP, import what? Star. Perfect. Sum OP of 10 comma 20. Beautiful. Import match info as what? K. K dot pi. What a beautiful example. E. Done. Any difficulty? No difficulty. Next example. Another example. What is the next example? I want to create. One more folder I will create. What is the another folder I am creating? Say. Go to where? New project. What is my new project? I'm going to say bank, bank. Say create. In this, say attach. Attach. Bank is a new one. There I'm going to take it what? New. What is this thing? ICICI dot what? PY. ICICI dot PY. Yesterday's code I will bring it. Yesterday's code I will bring it. 7 a.m. modules. Haripriya, listen ma. I'm going to show once again for the people. Say here. Open it. Say here. I'm going to carry this code. Carry this code. In this place, I'm going to carry. What is this ICICI? File name and what? Treated as what? Module name. Right? So this ICICI bank, this address, I will go to where? Environmental variable once again. Can I go? Well, go. So this place, where is that? C colon. Where is that? Users, KVR, PyCharm projects. What is this now? Bangalore. Bangalore bank. This address, I will take it. Well, go to where? All the students in online mark. Careful. Go to where? Start button. Say what? Environmental variable. Just if you type 1 or 2 lines, you will get it. Edit environmental variables. Online students, this one. Just you search for it. Go to the place. Once again, environmental variables. Edit. Environmental variables. Here. Already there is a Python path. Don't go for what? New. Second time you are going now. First time when you went, new. Second time you are going for what? Edit. Second time, edit. See that? When it is edited, already whatever is there, that is showing. Don't disturb the existing. New one, you place it by going for a semicolon. You put semicolon. You put it in where? One more. How it is bringing? Sys dot path dot append. First one, first value. Second one, second value. Comma, comma values are treated as a values in the list. Are you saying? Haripriya, all the students, listen. Already there, semicolon. Say what again? Double slashes, double slashes. Ucha, double slashes, double slashes. Are you following me? Say okay, say okay, say okay, say okay. Are you okay? Hmm? Right. So you also need to say okay. Are you okay? Right. Go to where next? Go to this place. I will write one main program here. What is the main program I am writing? Here I am writing new. And say others. Say Python. What is this now? Bank example dot py. Print of what? Bank name, comma what? B name, B name. It's an error. From where? ICICI import, import B name, comma ADDR, simple INT, it's as SI, as SI, right? Come on now, print of what? Bank address, ADDR is equal to colon, what is this now? ADDR, and what is this now? SI, say this now, bank example dot py. Save it in this place only. Go there, see the students, done. Go to this place. Here I'm going to enter into this place. Will it execute? PY, bank example, got error. You out of that, come out of that, go to the place. Here I'm writing CMD, see the students. Out of that, E colon KVR, and say Python, and say 7 a.m. and CD what? Packages. There you write it. Come on, PY, done. 3056, got a beautiful output. Is that difficult? Easy. Understood? Nice. So third example I'll show you. Third, yesterday there was one thing called what? Hmm. One more thing I said yesterday's class. What was that? Seema. No. In Edit Plus, I will create a package. I will use it in where? PyCharm. Go. Where I'm going to take up in this place, 7 a.m. I'll create one folder. What is the folder I'm creating? See that KVR. KVR is a folder. KVR is a folder. KVR is a folder. So, or ROSM is a folder. ROSM. ROSM is a folder. Inside the folder, what I will do? Yesterday's class, I said to you, modules concept. One thing you said, figures program. I said, na figures. Did you remember figures? This is the program. Here I will take it, ma. Here I will take it. Go to the place. Here. What is that? That I will place it into. Okay, no issue. Go to that place, new, and say others, Python, figures. I will save it. Where I am saving that? Where I am saving in 7 a.m. There is a folder name called what? Rosam. In that I am pasting. In that I am going to paste it. What is that file name? Figures.py. No empty file, nothing I am placing. No need to have an empty file. Rosam is called what? Package name. I'm not keeping any empty file. Are you following, students? Go to that now. In this place, go to the place. Here I'm going to write. Where I'm going to take it? In KVR. Some other place. I'm writing here. What is this now? Here I'm writing fig demo. Fig demo. Dot what? PY. From where? Figures. Import what? From figures. From figure. Figures or figure? From figure. From figures. From figures. Import what? Star. What is this now? What is that values are available now? R area, T area, R area. I will call just what? R area. You are getting module not found error. Then how do you do this? Simple, sir. Go to that. Where is that? Go to that where? 7 a.m. Rosam. Rosam is the folder there. You copy that address. Copy that address. Go to where? Environmental variables. Environmental variables. SEMA. Edit this. Go to where? Environmental variables. Say what? Select that. Say what? Edit. When I edit it, what I will write it? Already how many paths are there? Two. What is the next one? Third one. What I will write at the end of second one? Semicolon. But here semicolon will not come. Suppose if I don't show this example, what you will feel? Under the impression of semicolon only. Why I am showing third example? Semicolon concept will not come. That's why showing third example also. Very patiently showing third example. You will be getting something different view. Look at edit. What is coming? It is open new window. If I say only two examples, if I don't say, you are under the impression that second one, semicolon. That's why I'm showing all the things by the faculty. Suppose I can close it. First example itself I close. If I don't tell the second example, you don't know semicolon concept. If I don't tell third example, you don't know this one. That's why faculty should tell everything to the students. Student read or not, what can I do? You tell me. Sir has to tell everything. That is called good sir. Otherwise, it is a Shankar Dada MBBS only. Go to, say what? New. Say new. Here no edit, nothing. Say new. Say new. Once you say new, some new space will be created. A new room is created to place that. Say new. See, there you paste that address. Fourth to fifth to sixth examples will become like this only, it will be open. So that what you will say, new, 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 you will say. So what you are doing there also, like this. So Manasa, sir, explain. Please explain slowly. Slowly only I'm explaining. Actually, Python dot sys dot path dot append morning onwards I'm explaining. So go to this place. Now Rosam. Here I'm writing like this. Say what? Okay. Say okay. Don't close this. Say okay. Say okay. Are you okay? I think you are not okay. Are you okay? Right. Hmm? So no. Monday, no. Monday new topic will start. Going bounce now. Nothing. What is there in bouncing? It's not a programming. It's only folder I'm creating. Monday new topic will start. Go to the place. Here I'm going to enter into this. This is the one. If I write it again, it will be giving what? Error. So here I'm going to take up, close this, exit, exit, and launch again, launch again. So no doubt in that. When I'm explaining packages now, 80% of the people will understand, 20% bounce only. Wicket to helmet to wicket to jump in river only. Because done. Run this code. Get a beautiful subject. Run. So see that. Enter the length. 10, 20. Perfect. Not only that, you can go for what? Here. Go to Python window. There also you need to exit off. Exit off. Go to the last and final. Go to this place. Here I'm going to say this. Say here. From figures. Import T area. Import star. Okay, star. T area. T area. What a beautiful subject. 34 output. Yes area. Yes area. Super. 3. C area. Super. 3.4. Income area. R area. Length 40, 50. Super. Simply super. This is called subject. In a subject under paying on lakhs of rupees in colleges, only memo getting paper and keeping in lamination. That is not the way. This is the subject. So, huh? L- Lalinia. Sir, please donate your brain to me, sir. Okay. Right. Jamshed Khan, my dear student, I'm not going fast, ma. Small subject only. It is a small subject. It is a small subject. So I'm not going fast. Am I going fast? Online students, am I going faster? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, no. Am I going fast? Opinion. My opinion, I don't take. Classroom opinion, open secret. So everybody is saying no, 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 no. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. P. Hannu. Beautiful subject when you are teaching, sir. Okay. All of them saying no. So Manasa said, sir, little slow. So Shravan Kumar, love the way you teach, sir. Everybody deserve a teacher like you. Thank you, my dear student. Jamshed Khan, sir, not at all. You have equal mind set to understand. My dear student, if you see today, what I'm doing, creating different folders. Actually, I took more time today. 7:48 I'm taking. 7 or 8. Actually, I took more. For two sentences, sys dot path dot append Python path. Actually, in coding time only, I used to explain a lot more things. This example, these packages, I will carry with further examples also, no problem, so that you will feel more easy. Okay. So don't worry. So Venkat, so I think today confusion is importing from different places and calling from different places. I understood the concept, but I think that what others are confusing. I'm changing my place now. Edit plus to Pycham to that, etc. Bangalore to Hyderabad, Hyderabad to Pune, like that. You'll feel traveling distance is more styled. So, any of students that I'll go for it. So tomorrow there is a class. Already, tomorrow there is a class. Already. Students in online, tomorrow there is a class. Tomorrow there is a class. So Jamshed Khan. So fine. Tomorrow there is a class. At what time? Hmm. So Satar, my dear student, Satar. Python designed by Rosam. Diamonds designed by KVR, sir. Okay. 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 My dear students, thank you for your affection and uh, concentration on me. So, hmm, so yeah, Emmanuel, I will tell you, ma. I'll tell you how to create executable file. Also, I will tell you. When you double click, application has to run. I'll tell you. App. When I double click, that application has to run. There is a build file. That is called build file concept. I will explain. Okay, now. So don't worry, student. Tomorrow, what time? 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Already I intimated in the beginning only. I'll keep the link for you before 1 o'clock today. Okay, tomorrow there is a class, students. All the students in the online must understand that tomorrow there is a class. Okay, don't miss tomorrow class. Thank you. All the best. Online students, tomorrow time is over. There is no online doubts today. No online doubts today. No online doubts. Time is almost over. Thank you.